Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on REALME 14T. Let's begin! First, you have to expand your control center. Usually you do that from the top right corner. And then you want to check if your Wi-Fi is on. Then, you want to just hold and press on it. You want to go to, you don't really have to go to the more settings option, as you will have the list of all the available networks right here. Then you want to choose your network. For me it's this one. And now you will have to input your password. Usually it can be found right below the router itself. So now I will take the phone and input my password. And after your password is done, all you have to do is just hit save. And if your password is correct, you will be connected to a Wi-Fi. If that video helped you, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.